Good afternoon. My name is Juan Esteban Lozada Navarro, a student of Management in Industrial Process of X University. I will explain to them the process to create a dynamic table from a database. I decided to make the video in English because my computer handles the word tools in English and I find something innovative for the matter to use a secondary language. We must have the database previously created. In the first sheet, we see the steps of the activity. They'll use that we must indicate the number of people per department. Then we go to our pivot table and point out the data we need. In this case, um, A2 to K22. Let's insert menu, pivot table, and new worksheet. This will create a new sheet to which we will call dynamic tables. Dynamic tables. We will appear a menu in which we can organize the data. The following is to place the names in the part of values, name, values, and we will automatic make a summation of this. As are the names by department, we place department in the section of files. We notice that it have used the information of the departments and their names, making the summation at the end of this. With this, we conclude the first dynamic table. Then we look the activity that they use that we have to extract the sum and the average per department. We point a few cells below and we are going to insert a dynamic table. Insert dynamic table. Select the table range in another sheet and begin to organize the table. We place salary on values and we have the first requirement. Again, and we change the name. We write the number 2. To remove the average, we return salary in rows and change the condition by right clicking and on the second cell created we modify the cell to that we average and we change the conditional formatting in the place to it in coin value field average Mm, we change the conditional formatting of these cells, accounting without decimals. Okay. And we conclude the second pivot table. Now, the activity they'll use that we have to show the holiday days is by department, position name, and surname. So we selected the cells below. We will create a dynamic table. We select the cells. Okay. And organize the information. We put days of vacations in Zoom, holiday days, department in columns, department column, mm, position in filter, and um, surnames and names, last names. This will show use a general balance of the data that we put the filter server used to look at specific data. For example, mm, software engineering. We show Dorfberg Herbert have 15 days of vacations and Geraldine have 0. And we see that he has used the required information. Mm, Thank you so much for your attention and many success and blessings.